Schluter Design Niche is a prefabricated lightweight aluminum niche designed for a fast, waterproof installation. Its powder-coated finish requires no tile, saving installation time while providing a clean, modern look. It's also resistant to rust, stains, and mildew. Design Niche is available in a variety of sizes and colors. It pairs perfectly with the Trendline family of shelves, drains, and profiles, ensuring a cohesive look across your space. The Design Niche system includes all necessary components for a complete and waterproof installation. Let's take a look at what's included with the niche. An aluminum powder-coated niche, an adjustable frame and nuts that allows for design customization, a Curdy band frame to secure a watertight connection to the shower assembly, foam spacers, and Curdy Fix. Design Niche offers two installation methods, so you can customize the look to best suit your project. A reveal edge that allows the aluminum frame to sit visibly outside the tile, creating a framed effect. Or a flush edge installation that aligns with the tile surface. Design Niche is perfect for creating functional storage in showers, bathrooms, or any wet or dry areas where style and efficiency matter. Let's take a look at how to install the Design Niche. This video will demonstrate both a reveal edge installation and an installation flush with the tile. We'll start with the reveal edge. We have determined the location where the Design Niche will be installed. Blocking for the niche frame was prepared in advance and must be done in accordance with local building code. Keep in mind that the blocking should allow sufficient room to insert the frame and nuts. Measure and mark the wall in preparation to cut away the wall for the niche. For smaller format niches, the frame can simply be held up to the wall to trace around the flange. We are installing the 12 by 48 inch format. We will start by measuring the niche frame, and then we'll transfer the measurement from the tile line up and make another mark. From here, trace out the perimeter of the niche using a level. Take the niche frame and hold it up to check the lines and ensure accuracy. Cut along the lines using a utility knife and remove the cutout. Apply Curdy Fix to the pre-installed wall blocking. This is to adhere the niche's foam spacers into place. The Curdy Fix should be applied to all four sides. Install the foam spacers. Next, we'll set the depth of the niche. Again, for this installation, we're doing a reveal edge. The reveal edge depth can range from 1/8 inch minimum to 2 3/16 inch maximum. Measure the tile, taking into account the thickness of thin-set mortar. Then, add your desired protrusion depth to this measurement. We're demonstrating a 5/8 inch protrusion for our installation. Adjust the niche to the desired depth. The frame has preset depth notches. The adjustable nuts have a raised side and a flat side. The flat side of the nut can be used to pick any depth. The raised side of the nut fits into the circular cutouts, such that each cutout adds 1/8 inch. Hand tighten the adjustable nuts on the frame to set the depth of the niche body. Once all nuts are set, check to make sure that they are all at the same depth. It's important that this surface is clean and free of any grease or other contaminants prior to the Curdy Fix application in the next steps. Apply mild adhesive tape, such as masking or painter's tape, to the outer edge of the body of the niche. This is particularly important when installing the niche with a reveal edge to protect the visible surface from adhesive and setting materials during installation. Next, dry fit the niche to ensure it sits flush with the wall board and lines up correctly with the tile assembly. Apply Curdy Fix to the front of the foam spacers. Install the niche onto the spacers, pressing it firmly into place. Make sure that the niche frame is flush or slightly below the surface of the wall. Check that the niche is level and adjust with spacers or shims if necessary. Use spacers that are flush with or below the wall surface, or modify them as such. This will allow you to continue installation without waiting for the Curdy Fix to cure. Otherwise, wait for Curdy Fix to cure before moving to the next steps. Next, seal the gap between the frame and body with a generous bead of Curdy Fix. It's important to completely fill this gap, especially at the corners to ensure a watertight seal. Use a caulking tool, popsicle stick, or similar to smooth the Kerdi fix. Once the niche is installed, waterproofing connections from the niche to the wall can be made. Install the Kerdi band frame using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. Apply the mortar with the Schluter Kerdi trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, or a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. Using the flat side of the trowel, apply thin-set mortar around the perimeter of the design niche. Then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Place the Kerdi band frame over the niche. Embed using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall taping knife. Make sure this connection is secure. Clean any excess mortar from the design niche. Once the waterproofing is complete, continue to set tile as usual, cleaning any grout or setting material from the niche as you go. The installation of the design niche with a reveal edge is now complete. Next, let's take a look at a flush edge installation. For this installation, we're using a 12 by 12 format niche. We've determined the desired location of the niche. Place the niche flange on the wall with a level and trace around the flange. Cut along the traced lines and remove the wall board. In this instance, we did not have blocking pre-installed, so we will need to add it in to support and bond the niche flange on all sides. The spacers can be used as a guide for positioning your blocking. Install the foam spacers to the blocking as previously shown using Kerdi fix. After cleaning and with mild adhesive tape around the edge to protect the finish, set the niche face side down with spacers to consider thin-set mortar. Adjust the frame until it sits flush with the front of the niche and flat and even on the tile. Hand tighten the adjustable nuts using the flat side to secure the niche at your chosen depth. Install the niche in the same manner as previously shown. Follow with the required waterproofing around the niche. Once the niche is installed, set the tile as usual around the edge of the design niche. The installation of the design niche with a flush edge is now complete. Design niche is perfect for creating functional storage in showers, bathrooms, or any other area where style and efficiency matter, all while providing a clean, modern look. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check our YouTube channel to view our videos.